and welcome to my robotic hand update. This update will be about the fingers of the hand, as you can see over here. So in my previous video, I already kind of touched on it and how it's going to work, but I only had enough parts to make one finger. So in this video, you can see that we've gone a lot further. So I'll quickly go through the design process. So my idea kind of started out with my old video surrounding a Lego bird, and the wing kind of had the same mechanism as the finger, as they both need to have like two parts that rotate together. And this is an example of how it works. So if you think of the darker gray pieces as the actual parts of the finger, and the light gray as the supporting parts, which make it do what it does. So if I quickly remove this, you can see that as the bottom part moves forward, this part slides down as it's further away. So it's kind of sliding down. And then when I connect this part, you can see that as it's sliding down, it forces this part to rotate. So that's how you get the motion of the finger like that. And you can just use the same effect on one more part so that you have three parts like in the finger with 1, 2, and 3. So that's what this design also does. I did find it from someone else's YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description so you can check them out, because that's what the design is from. It was very challenging to make this design because a finger is quite complex because it's very small and it has a wide range of motion. So to create this and make it sturdy enough and working was definitely a challenge. I realized that the finger is around 2 studs wide and 2 studs long. So that's kind of the target that I went for. Now it is 2 studs wide, but it is 3 studs long. So it does make them look a bit out of proportion. However, this is the best that I could do at the moment. I still have the same piston design as in the last video, where, as you can see here, I can turn it and all the fingers will move in together and back. I hope this design will be strong enough, but I am not completely sure, as this one beam over here is turning all the fingers together. So I'm not sure about that yet. Another kind of downside to this is that all the fingers are controlled by, it's also kind of a positive. They're all controlled by this one axle, which means that you can control all the fingers really easily, but they can't move independently from each other. However, I think it would be cool for a future project to try and make sure that you can control them individually. But this is of course hard because you need multiple motors and it would be very hard to make this compact. Yeah, that's about all I've got for this video. I made this by ordering all the parts off of a website, which was quite a challenge because I had to make the design on my computer and then find out all the parts that it used and then create an order. So that took a while, but it looks pretty good right now. I went for a design of black, as that's what I surveyed some people and that's what most people wanted, because it's really just a safe choice to go for. So yeah, thank you for watching.